Hello friends, this is Anuja. I'll be reading for Pisceans today. Let's look upon what are the energies for the Pisceans for December 2020. I'll be using here Radiant Rider deck, right? And we'll be doing 3-card reading for past, present and future for December 2020. Okay? And to wrap up at last, I'll be giving you a bonus card reading using this Magical Time Empowerment cards. Okay, so let's get started. Let's see what's there for my Pisceans, for Pisces energy for the month of December 2020. I'll just pray for you. What's there for Pisces for the past, for December 2020 reading? What's there for Pisces for the past, for December 2020 reading? What's there for Pisces for the past, for December 2020 reading? What's there for Pisces? Please help me to know. Okay, we have here one card. Okay. What's there for Pisces for the present, for December 2020 reading? What's there for Pisces for the present situation for the December 2020 reading? What's there for Pisces for December 2020 reading for the present situation? Please help us to know. What's there for Pisces for December 2020 reading for present situation? Please help us. Okay. Okay. And what's there for the future for Pisces December 2020 reading? Future for Pisces December 2020 reading. Here we have. Okay. Now we have got here 8 of Swords for the past, Judgment for the present, and Ace of Wands for the future, right? Okay. Now we'll have clarifiers for all 3 cards, right? Let's see for 8 of Swords. Please give one clarifier for 8 of Swords. Why this 8 of Swords is here? Please give one clarifier for 8 of Swords. Why this 8 of Swords card is here? Please give one clarifier for 8 of Swords. Why this 8 of Swords card is here? Okay. We have here 10 of Pentacles, right? Okay. Now we want one clarifier for Judgment card in the present situation. Why this Judgment card is here? For the present situation. One clarifier please for Judgment card in the present situation. Why this Judgment card is here for present situation? One card please for the Judgment card. I need one clarifier for Judgment card please. Why this Judgment card is here? Okay, we have the card flipped. Anyways, we'll look upon again. One clarifier for Judgment card please. Why this Judgment card is here? I need one clarifier please. Please give me one clarifier for Judgment card, angels. Okay, thank you. Okay. One clarifier for Ace of Wands for the future card. Why this Ace of Wands is here? Please give me one clarifier for Ace of Wands. Why this Ace of Wands is here? Please, I need one clarifier for Ace of Wands. Okay, let us see why this Ace of Wands is here. One clarifier for Ace of... Okay, there are 2. Let's see. There are 3. Okay, thank you. The bottom of the deck we have King of Pentacles. Okay. So, for the past we have 8 of Swords clarifying with 10 of Pentacles. For the present, we have Judgment clarifying with 5 of Cups. Right. And for the future, we have Ace of Wands clarifying with Queen of Pentacles, 7 of Cups, and 10 of Wands. Okay. So let's get started. We'll first start with the past card, past situation, right? What's there in the past? We have here 8 of Swords, right? Okay, my dear Pisceans, this seems to me that you were trapped in your mental emotions or mental disturbance, and it was you are feeling, actually you are feeling in your mind, that is all mind conflict. You are feeling in your mind so difficult to move on from the situation, or there is something that you don't want to see or you are unable to see for some of you, right? Something has happened in the past which you don't want to see, maybe regarding your family life, right? Something might have happened in the family, or you might have hoped for the happy family, and there you might have faced any problem. So for some of you, I feel there is a question for stability, for a stable life. You hoped for a stable life, and all that conflict is going on in your head, right? It is just mental conflict. I feel if you would have seen it properly or clearly, you should just take out the band of your eyes and look properly, look clearly what's going on. Don't just avoid any situation or anything going on in your life. Look upon it, try to see what you can do for it. If there is anything which is disturbing you a lot, because it is showing a lot of conflict, mental imbalance, and you need to balance, and that is related to the earthy matter. That might be related to the stability, that might be related to the finances. You might have faced some loss in the finances, which you may think for some of you, or for some of you, you might think, I cannot get the way out. But if you look properly, you might feel that you are trapped in a situation, you are tied in something, but if from that situation or from that thing you cannot come out. Maybe from it may be in your love life, your family life, your personal, professional life. Yes, that is a feeling for some of you, feeling being trapped in a situation. But believe me, you can come out of that. You just have to look upon what is that is disturbing you and how can you just come out of that. People are there to support you. For some of you, I think so, there might have been some loss in the past. I will have one more clarifier for this 8 of Swords. Let us see what's there more. One more clarifier for 8 of Swords, please. Why this 8 of Swords is here? I need one more clarifier. I need one more clarifier for 8 of Swords, please. One more clarifier for 8 of Swords, please. One more clarifier for 8 of Swords, please. Why this 8 of Swords is here? Okay. We have this King of Swords. One more clarify, King of Swords. Okay, let us see now. Okay, so for some of you, I feel there might be a problem in the position you were, right? And some verbal conflict might have been there at that time, at that moment. Or you might be thinking, why, how will be I clear, right, in my conversations? Can I clearly convey my messages, or can I clearly speak with the person I want? There is a loss of clarity. Conversation is needed. Or for some of you, you might feel you want to converse with the person, right, in the authority, but you might feel stuck in your head. How do I do, right? What will that person think? What will that person feel? But my friends, without conversation, without conversing with that person, right, nothing will be sought out. If you want to sort out the matter, just converse. You need to talk. Get out of the head that mental conflict. Too much of disturbance is there in the past. Yes. Clarity is missing. For sure, clarity is missing for some of you. Okay. For the present situation, we have Judgment card. Okay. And the clarifier is 5 of Cups. Right? Let us see now. Okay. There might be some news for you, right? In the present situation, you might have received some news, some judgment on something, some your work, okay, or some decision you might have taken. And remember, this is a major arcana. This is direct from the universe. There is something you might receive. So for some of you, the spiritual beings, I feel you sit and just relax, close your eyes, listen to your intuition. You will be receiving some message from the universe. I think so. For some of you, this might be in your maybe in your love life, regarding the love life, or regarding the loss, right? Some of you might be clinging to the past, just seeing the empty cups, but you are not seeing the cups behind, they are filled, right? There is too much of emotional imbalance in the present situation. This is because of the past situation, I feel, right? Whatever mental conflict was going in your head in the past, see, past can be recent past also, right? It can be 1 week ago, right? Or it can be recent 2-3 days ago, right? Or 1 year, 2 years, 10 years, right? But still it's going in your head. And there is some help from the universe. There is some decision or some news you will get from the universe which will help you to come out from this situation, right? The emotional imbalance which you have in the present. Too much worried, sleepless night. Yes, we will have one more clarifier for this judgment card. Just mourning for the cups that are gone, just mourning for the love that is gone, just mourning for the situation that is gone, that you might have missed out for some of you. But yes, the universe is there to help you. Just look back. Something new is there, right? In the present situation, there are changes, there is something new, right? There is a message from the universe, you just need to see. I just want one clarifier for judgment card. Yes. Hermit. Introspection. Okay. See. Too good. Introspection is needed. This is the Hermit card, right? See the light inside you. See this situation. The morning situation. You just need to look inside you. See the light inside you. The bright shining light. See the spark that is there inside you. And you can make out too much of that spark. You might, in the present situation, you might be in the hermit mode for some of you. Introspecting yourself. What I need to do. Yes. Looking out, seeking out for the answers. And there the existence is to help you, right? There you will get getting the judgment from the existence. You will be getting the answers what you need to do. Or the choices you have to make. There might be choices. Yes. Two things. You might have to select one. For some of you, I can feel there might be a problem in the selection from the two. I feel more of in the love life. You might be having two choices, but you don't want to leave the past. Inside, you might be feeling to accept what is there in your love life in the present, but you do not want to leave the past too. You are in a dilemma. So you are doing the introspection. What to do next? Yes, your intuition will help you. The existence is going to help you. Just listen carefully for the messages. And you will get the direction to make the decision. Take a leap of faith. Now, let's see what's there for the future. We have the Ace of Wands. Yes, a new beginning, a new helping hand from the universe. So I feel in the present this was the message the universe wanted to give you, right? Don't worry, the universe is there to help you. It's a fiery energy, right? And yes, you might be having some new opportunity, right? There is a growth and success in that. And we have the clarifiers for Ace of Wands, the Seven of Cups, Queen of Pentacles and Ten of Wands. Here we have all. See the look at that fiery energy. You might be having choices. Same thing, and you have to select from that. Yes, there is definitely stability, abundance coming, stability coming, growth in the money, financial growth, and the hard work which you have done, right? It will pay you. Okay, you might have got exhausted from all that hard work, from all that mental conflict, but in future, because of this hard work, there is a completion, right? And a new beginning in your life. Something new you are doing, right? From all the choices, you will be selecting one. You will be able to select existence. You might all of a sudden you might get something new, or get some idea may merge in your mind, right? To do something new, right? Creating something new. And to fulfill your dreams, you may be daydreaming also for some of you. Desires, fulfilling your desires. The desires you wanted to be fulfilled, right? The stability you wanted, growth you wanted in the finance, that all I can see. Yes, it's a new beginning for Pisceans, for future, right? So please, I request Pisceans, the future is bright. See, this is, tarot is a guidance for you, right? Okay, so this reading is for guidance, right? For future, that their future is bright. There is a bright future, but you need to make some changes in from your past in your present for your bright future, right? If you keep on mourning, right, whatever is gone is gone. You cannot do anything. That's not in your hands now to change the past. Be in the present situation. In the present also you are mourning, right? But do introspection, that is necessary. And some news you will get. Something good is going to happen in the present, right? So wait for that. And just come out from the past. So this is it. This is a short reading, my friends. Okay. For broader picture and for personal reading, please call me on my number given in the description box, and my mail ID also. Okay, now we will wrap up this with the bonus card reading. Let's see what's there for Pisceans. What's the message for Pisceans from the universe for December 2020? Please give me some message for Pisceans for December 2020. Any message for Pisceans for December 2020? What's the message for Pisceans for December 2020? The message for Pisceans for December 2020, please. Is there any message for Pisceans for December 2020, please? Message for Pisceans for December 2020, yes, we'll have this. Any other message for Pisceans, please? Is there anything else I need to know? Any other message for Pisceans? Thank you. Okay. Flexibility. Gently flow through the turbulence. Life has the ability to shape you. Bend, don't break. See the same thing, right? This thing, the morning, right? Doing introspection, okay? And the judgment of the existence, right? The helping hand from the existence, right? So, what is the message? Gently flow through the turbulence. Turbulence is there in your life, you feel. Just go with the flow, right? Be strong, be courageous, recognize your strength and go with the flow, okay? You have to stand up for yourself again, right? So, the universe is there to help you. The future is bright. If you have any difficulty in making the choices, just take help of your friends, family, right? Good advisor. And think for yourself. Listen to your intuition and move on. Move on from the past. Okay? From the past situation, past love. Okay? If someone betrayed you, okay? Just leave on that situation. Don't keep clinging to the past. Life is going to shape you, right? Don't bend. Don't break. Just mold. The life is molding you. The way the life is molding you. Just go with the flow. So, this is it. So, thank you, my dear friends. Again, I repeat, for personal reading, please contact me on the number given in the description box and my mail ID. Thank you so much. Stay blessed, be healthy.